Hello guys, how are things? I hope you're doing amazing. So, as you know, in our daily conversations, we use a lot of phrases. But in this video, we're going to learn the most common ones. So, if you're struggling in your conversations with people, watch this video. Common phrases in English conversations. Without further ado, let's start with the first one. Phrases for invitations. Let me check my calendar. Would you like to join me for dinner? How about a game of football on Monday? Would you like to have breakfast with me tomorrow? I've got 2 tickets for a cinema on Saturday. Would you like to come? How about coming to the picnic at the football club? Now let's move on to phrases for saying no. I'm already booked. That's not going to work for me. Sounds fun, but I'm not available. I want to, but I'm unable to. Apologies, but I can't make it. I can't take on any more responsibilities. Now let's learn some useful phrases in shopping. Do you have this item in stock? Do you offer a cash discount? Where can I weigh my groceries? I'm looking for a leather handbag. Do you have a refund policy? Do you have a bigger size? Now, phrases for asking directions. I'm looking for, and you finish the sentence with what you want to say. How can we get to Hyde Park? Could you direct me to blah blah blah? How do I get to library? I'm looking for this address. Where is the nearest Post office. Phrases for asking for information. Do you happen to know? Have you got an idea of? Could anyone tell me? I'm looking for. I was wondering. Would you mind? And lastly but not least, phrases for giving bad news. I'm afraid I've got some bad news. Please, don't take this badly, but I regret to inform you that there is no easy way to say this, but please don't take this badly. I'm sorry to have to tell you this, but... And that was pretty much it. Just simple, easy phrases to use for daily conversations. Don't hesitate to share more in the comments below and stay tuned for another video. See you in the next time.